Tastes so good. Fellas, I fell in losing weight again. Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the first Changsha Crawfish Cooking Competition. We tell better China stories to the world and more world stories to you all. Hello there, welcome to Buffalo Story Time. As a food paradise in China, Changsha is holding its first crawfish cooking competition. Yes, you hear me right. The juicy, spicy, and tasty crawfish. Check it out. If you're a fan of tasty crawfish, you can't miss this. Smells so good. Spicy and so juicy. So rich! I love it! The champions among the last 10 candidates, and they will receive blind tests from both public and experts. And they will represent the best cooking skills in Changsha. If you're a fan of crawfish, leave a comment. There will be some bonus and prizes for you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Amazing.